So a long time not seen. I bought a new Renault, this time Renault Talisman, and the first thing to do, well, let's replace the oil and oil filter, and then why not to make a video of it. So a video how to replace your oil and oil filter for Renault Talisman. And first, just let's open the front hood, and you need as well to lift up the car to be able to do some things there down. Just open it up here. So has some better flow. So what you will need, so first of all, 10mm socket for me will be fine. Not this tool, it's probably not the best tool, just regular socket, 27 mils for the oil change, because you will need to go there and see. You can put this on the filter and open it, covered by this, just so. As well, the inside you have to change the filter. I bought this one, Bosch, this is the model name. Some washer bought as well, let's see, you need it for the oil bolt, and then the special tool to open the oil bolt. I think I need it, we'll see it, it's like 8 mils I think, and 10 mils square, we'll see. And of course the oil 5V30, for me it's good. And then I bought this one, this was like available there, so I think it's, you need like 5 liters, maybe 6 liters, I don't know, we'll see how much I will need in the end, or I will show in the description. And of course we have to drain the oil, and let's go under the car. And here you can see, maybe you need a little bit underneath the wheel. Here is the DPF filter. Then there is this steering mechanism for 4-wheel control, and then it goes up there, down. And then there is the cover you need to remove. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts here, like 10 mils. Let's open them up and see what's going on. There are little clips as well. One side, other side as well. Just pop them open and then we'll see. Okay, already got this down. So when you got down these little clips, it'll just probably fall down like that. Just put it aside, and then you can check out what is what. And then you can see it looks like oil filter for me. And then obviously this must be the oil replacing bolt. For oil replacing you need square 8mm special, like this tool, and you can make it home or just buy it if you find a way to get it, but more or less it's same for like the previous generations as I see right now. So okay, now just use 8 mils and loosen this one before, anti-clockwise of course. Oh, watch out your head. I just hit my head. Oh, but now it's at least looser. Oh, yeah. And then just get ready for draining. See, it's really loosened. So I will just put my phone here somewhere. Can you see? I will drain it. Hope you can see it. And let's drain the oil. Oh, oh no. And that's how you destroy your shirt. Oh, it's Lost the bolts, that's why I was like panicking, and now I'm all oily. Not what I wanted to be. Oh, no. Everything with oil. So after you got your bolt back, as I from the ball, yeah, this looks a little bit better, to be honest, but I bought a new one. And this is like the golden one. I bought a little bit cheaper one because I thought this was going to be here, but just put the new washer there. And just go here and bolt this in. Take your little tool, put it in with 8 mils right in, and then just tighten this a little bit up. Do not over tighten, so you don't want to break the engine. And then just clear around here so you can see if there is some oil more leaking around later on. You need to retighten it or something like that. So next, just take 7 mils, put a socket on a filter, and loosen this one. Okay, hear the sound. Okay, I got the oil pan down there. Just in case, I have a pan here, and I will lift it up when oil will start to. Okay, now I can loosen it by hand. Just take this one. It looks like I'll start dripping less, so okay. Now this is out. Next, just go there and wipe this filter from outside with some rag, and then just with your new filter should come with this O-ring. It goes outside here, so just remove this, the old one, and put the new inside. Make sure this well these matches. For me it's kind of good, so it will be for alright. After you put the O-ring, you can put the filter in. I already did it. Just press it in and it clicks in and it's good to go. Oh, almost got in sand, you don't want it. So now it's nice and good to go. And then just find this hole, slip it back in. It says 25 Newton meters. You don't have a Newton meter, then just, you see, it's kind of good in. Just clear around and see if it's leaking or not, and it's good. 25 is not a lot, so should be alright, fine. Just wipe it so it's clean and nice. And then just, you can first put some oil in and check if there's no leak, or for cover on, decide how you wish. So next I will just put some oil in. As you see, I already covered around with rag, so in case something spills, kind of goes in drag and not get dirty everything, I'll just use this oil. Okay, 4 liters in. Let's put at least 1 more liter and check out how much oil I have. What's the level with 4 liters? As you see, right below okay level, so let's put in some more liters, maybe 1 or 2. So we are 5 liters in. Let's see if it's enough or not enough. Let's wipe this clean and see where it goes back. It looks right about in the middle. You see, in the middle of this, so it seems like 5 liters is enough for now, but I will put anyway a little bit more because probably it will. I have it, and why not to fill it, top it up. So I'll put probably ½ liter more. So after the oil level, okay, just locate your cap. Make sure you clean everything up there, and then close this bad boy up. And then make sure you check down below as well. After oil replacing, always when you're driving and heat up the oil, recheck the level. So it's maybe sometimes it lowers with the time. Oh. As well, maybe you have some spillage here, just clean this up. Maybe nothing here. Seems pretty clear for now. Put this back on, not the hardest thing, just slide this up here. Oh, that's like that. And then 2 of these holes. Nice in place. Ready to down below. So just do the last inspection. Make sure there's no oil around here. Looks pretty okay. Just do it. And as well make sure that around here no oil leakage. And clean this up. And then see if it's like old oil or new. When it's dry, it should not come more down there. But so far it seems like it's all right. So I will just put cover back. So let's give it a test start. Just we'll see what will happen with the oil. Later on I will make video how to reset the oil level interval, something like that. But first just let it run for a little bit. So far okay, let's not accelerate for now, so the oil just sips in all the turbo and everywhere it should go. So I just drew quite some kilometers, so let's test out what's the level. So far it's, as you see, nothing, because I cleaned it. Right. Very interesting, it doesn't go that easy in, like rotating. Okay, now I can tell. As you see, it's a little bit above the normal level, so maybe you can fill a little bit more up.